Today, we're going to be creating a dictionary with Claude AI. So for the prompt, we're going to say, create a dictionary allow each letter from A to Z include 10 entries each. So we know that there's 26 letters in the English alphabet. So 10 times 20 is 260 words. So we'll tell it to say a total of 260 entries with a single line definition each. Finish until completion in as few lines code possible. Please and thank you. Once complete, allow the keyboard input of Y to await further instruction. It says search words or definitions. It's going to take a second to load since the request is so long. It has to print out 260 words with each having its own definition. So it lets you know right here what part of the code it's working on. But dictionaries are extremely useful for increasing your vocabulary. And I'm going to add something cool at the end. That's why I put input of Y to wait further instruction. Because today I want to introduce a topic, and I did something I call a hook, which is a way to get AI to follow up on the previous input. All right. So here's our app. So let's see what happens. So there's all these words. It says all 260 entries are live. 10 words per letter, A through Z, each with a single line definition. You can filter by letter using the alphabetical buttons or search any word or definition in real time. Press Y on your keyboard whenever you're ready to give the next instruction. So for A, it has abacus, abyss, adage, aloof, ambiguous, amnesia. B, bliss, bizarre, bestow, besiege. C, cacophony, chisel, cipher. Could go some for D. So whenever you want to read something different, go on your app that you make. Whenever you make your own dictionary on Claude, go over some vocab words, read the definitions like earnest, resulting from resulting from intense conviction, serious in intention or purpose, or eccentric, unconventional, is slightly strange in behavior or appearance. So let's go through this a little bit quicker. As you can see, it printed off 10 words per letter, each with its own definition. Pretty cool. Now for the second part of the prompt. Allow functionality for new entries to be updated whenever I learn a new word. There we go. Just adding that to the code right now. Fetching saved entries, loading your dictionary. Wiring up the word vault. Loading the dictionary. All right, so let's say we still down here, drew A. Oh, pro. Ask me to upgrade. Yes, no. I reached my token limit. It says I'm out of free messages until 6 p.m. But yeah. If I go to A, new word, apple, definition, fruit that grows on tree, usually red, green, or yellow. That word. Boom. Now we see apple with mine. Fruit that grows on tree, usually red, green, or yellow. So that has been today's tutorial, guys. How to create a dictionary with Claude AI. This has been Advanced Lance. Thank you.